Welcome to Levitate Wellness. Happy Make Your Dreams Come True Day. You must be wondering what on earth I'm talking about. Hear me out. This is a simple planner that I bought from the dollar store, and they have a monthly spread of all the important dates of the month, and it is marked that Jan 13 is called Make Your Dreams Come True Day. I was immediately interested to know what it means, and it says Jan 13th is Make Your Dreams Come True Day. If you have been procrastinating on fulfilling your dream, this is your chance to get things right. Get started on making your dreams come true. This unofficial holiday with unknown origins encourages people to be proactive about achieving what they want in life. And that is so true, right? Everybody has dreams. And by dreams, I don't mean having dreams of becoming an Avenger or getting into Hogwarts and things like that. Dreams are those aspirations that we keep thinking about achieving someday. Someday in the future, I will become a millionaire. Someday in the future, I would become an artist, or someday I would become a fashion designer. Whatever it is, these are the dreams which we keep visualizing to the future and don't really do anything about it. So today is the day for you to take some action about these dreams that you keep having. Now I know that dreams cannot be achieved overnight, and obviously it takes a lot of effort to reach your goals. But you can do something about it today. Today is the day to start doing something about your dream. There are some people who chase their dream every single day, and there are some of us who find it hard to achieve our goals on a daily basis. Whichever category you fall into, Make Your Dreams Come True Day is the day to start something. For those big goals which seem impossible to achieve right now, try breaking them into smaller goals and try to achieve them over a period of time. Make Your Dream Come True Day did not come into existence or founded by just one person. It has come into existence by several people who have worked towards it. There are several people around the world whose persistence has helped them achieve their dream. Dylan composed music based on his dreams. Mary Shelley wrote Dr. Frankenstein based on a nightmare, and the very famous James Cameron created a masterpiece, Avatar, based on an incredibly detailed dream that he had. A few years ago, I attended a yoga teacher training program in Krishnamacharya Yoga Mandiram, Chennai. During this training, which was about 1 year, we realized that yoga is not just about an exercise. There are so many books and there are so many teachings about yoga, which is not just about performing asanas or doing headstands or even about meditation. You don't have to leave your family and go be a hermit just to be a yogi. In fact, you can use these principles of yoga to live your daily life in the society. You know, most of the hermits and yogis who live in the mountains or in the woods are actually able to sustain that kind of lifestyle because they have achieved inner peace. We don't need to leave our society to achieve inner peace. We can find peace in our day-to-day lives. We can actually use these concepts of yoga as a lifestyle and find peace in our day-to-day life. During this training is where I met my friend Nikita, and we decided to help you achieve lifestyle, and there are so many principles that we can apply to our day-to-day life to actually bring in those peace in our everyday life. We are realizing our dreams by spreading this message with you, and I hope that you find this video motivating to do something today and to mark Make Your Dream Come True Day as part of your calendar. Thank you for watching, and please do share this video with anybody you think needs some motivation to help achieve their dreams.